the Attorney General has made some statements. I say Attorney General's estimate that up to 62 million was siphoned from the Ghana Water Company Limited into private accounts of ex-National Signal Bureau boss Kwabena Edu Boahen under the guise of an NSB internet provision contract. I want you to go and do some checks for me. Attorney General say Sika Pole 62 million Ghana and Edu Boahen way or create accounts through a Ghana Water Company otumi wi Ghana Sika through a Ghana Water Company in collaboration with NSB area Ghana Sika 62 million. Why you busy Ghana saying? Why you me oh gaga twa jindi oforiata kwasi ampenyi we election 2020 $10 billion transiting from Ghana Commercial Bank to the Bank of Ghana. It went to unknown source. Why you me in dying? Mo MPP for mo Jimmy. In the Attorney General, I person busa question me. Attorney General no, what can it be about Ghana Water Company? Me person busa o. Afenyama na or the Ghana Water Company board so ana. And sana ye move in the a year road fund. And sana oba ECG. I want you guys to check for me. Afenyama I want to ask. I'm just checking. I'm not sure about that. Mr. P, Mr. S, the last time he came up in the meeting, but we forgot to deal with it. I think you guys didn't really do the research on it. Afenyama I think he used to be the board chair of Ghana Water Company. And then he was moved to the road fund. And then I think later he was moved to ECG where he went to steal the containers. I'm asking. I am not sure about that. Afenyama on board chair of Ghana Water Company. Which year was he the board chair? I want to know. There's something because Afenyama we know him. Board we have to be a bokrono. He's a master in stealing. ECG pair the investigation report no Afenyama we know the containers he stole all. On then call for the check containers here. That's one. I want to ask Mr. P, Mr. S. Yes, my team they have confirmed. Afenyama was the board chair of Ghana Water Company Limited. So this crime, Afenyama knows about it. Sa akwana kaka ye ditiri hono. Sa akwana kaka ure gu ditiri hono. Or you greedy for money. Afenyama in 2022 was the board chair of Ghana Water Company. 62 million. Afenyama is a jailbird. So you see where the whole baby a chrono course be Afenyama was there. Kasongo 99 was there. Sa akwana kakawure ura yediti uno. Sa Afenyama no 62 million every Ghana Water Company through NSB Edu Boahen access na Afenyama na oho. Don't get it twisted. The same Afenyama Ghana Electricity Company of Ghana board non netisu. You know what happened there? We are containers nina. It is Afenyama. And the Akwa was a demonstration. Afenyama is to rot in jail. And I'm studying who say why tantan. You're suspending a girlfriend and the contractor Bonnie didn't ECG so you're chino. Also why tantan it through kakawure rough. Afenyama onyini jam. Entiman kase me deep in atem. Afenyama is not older than me. Yeah. Afenyama he's not older than me. Me wona efe kakawure de good it. Afenyama was the board chair of a year Ghana Water Company Limited. And the man a year Edu Boahen 62 million Ghana. Free. On Afenyama Afenyama knows something about this. And somebody will speak. Now, an issue came up during the Attorney General's press conference. And what did he say? Attorney General said, the investigation in the National Service Ghost Names scandal has also progressed well. And we will be filing charges against some of the persons involved from the first week of May. Attorney General said, Gifty Oware NSS any a Kingsley Ajimana or the NSS Fosika Echo Wia seat. ewe buakwa achimfo ni bi de obum pejuma de bi lawyers politics no mo wie sika achimfo ni bi saa no mte Kingsley Agyeman ewi no a oba national service ebe head national service ewie sika ekuro bia na go se body trimutuo saa kwase ne tumi wie sika saa de ko ne kurom ema ochehene suppressing conforma ye tata atachia e de saa kromfo we aba parliament Kingsley Agyeman and the National Service Secretariat for investigations Attorney General say some investigations next week by the first week May they are going to go to court to start prosecuting. Gifty Oware maka me so ohini bi owo Ghana why na arguing say obefre President Mahama obefre anybody in government to plead on behalf of Gifty Oware wakonwa ninkum wa we penyini ewo Ghana obefre eye John Mahama obefre anybody in government to plead for Gifty Oware Nana B anybody involved in the National Service Secretariat scandal akonwa na wotis no enkum insuo to na agra da dwa endwan su trim. Attorney General so kan assembly or say in respect of the SkyTrain matter, we have completed investigations and we will be filing charges hopefully next week. SkyTrain, Professor Ekumfi, Agyeman Ekumfi, and then Nenkofwa, Omni SkyTrain, Edi Ghana for Sika. Attorney General said they are going to file a case in court. These are all criminal cases. And the Supreme Court agreed. And remember, the Supreme Court is just for interpretation. The lower courts, the high court, omunomuka criminal matters no. Now they are called the appeals court near the Supreme Court they interpret the law. It's nobody is going to the Supreme Court. John Dramani Mahama Kaso be tribunals to deal with very, very important matters. Quick. Onion and term. Because time no day for Supreme Court interpretation. And right now, we need to move more judges to the Supreme Court. If anybody goes to the appeals court and say they are going to the Supreme Court, within 24 hours, the Supreme Court can look at that and give judgment for us to know the fate of that person. Until the Supreme Court should be on standby. The new acting Chief Justice should make sure enough justice have clean sheet, nothing on their table with fork and knife waiting. I was said the Chief Justice, Mr. Bafuboni, should wait, give everybody fork and knife, put an empty plate in front of the judges. They should wait. If anybody goes to the High Court, goes to the Appeals Court, and they try to come to the Supreme Court for any interpretation within 24 hours, Supreme Court should be able to move it out for Ghanaians to get to the bottom of every matter. The Supreme Court is for interpretation. The High Court is there to deal with criminal issues. There's more to come. Part 1 and 2. Time no day. Time ankasa ebini ho. And things have to be done quickly. So the acting Chief Justice, please, remember Supreme Court judges do too much work. Always keep standby. 7, 8, sitting. 7, 5. They be our moon chain. Ya de ba ya panyan. No man ya pay delay biya.